Hey everyone, today, I'll show you how to build a simple linear regression model in Python to predict outcomes. But first, let's quickly understand what linear regression is. Linear regression is a statistical method used to model the relationship between a dependent variable, like test scores, and an independent variable, like hours studied. It helps us predict the value of one variable based on the other. First, we'll import the libraries we need. We'll use pandas for data handling and scikit-learn for the regression model. Now, I'll create a simple dataset. This is a dictionary with two keys, hours and scores. We then convert this dictionary into a data frame using pandas, which makes it easier to work with. Next, we separate our data into two parts, the input data, x, which are the study hours, and the output data, y, which are the test scores. The model will learn to predict the scores based on the hours studied. After training, we can use the model to make predictions. For example, let's predict the score for 6 hours of study. The model uses the relationship it learned to estimate the score, which we print out. Finally, let's visualize the data. First, we plot the data points as a scatter plot. Then, we draw the regression line, which represents the model's best guess of the relationship between study hours and test scores. And that's it. You've just built a simple linear regression model in Python to make predictions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next.